This is an unboxing of the Orion Motor Tech 4-valve manifold gauge set just as it arrived on my doorstep from Amazon. This tool is designed to work with 134, 1234, and 404 refrigerants. Thin cloth white gloves that I'll put on for the video. Here are the quick connects for the 1234 refrigerants. These are the can taps for the 1234 and 134 refrigerants. Quick connects for 134 refrigerant. A small plastic box which contains hose gaskets, a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch adapter, O-rings, flat gaskets, and copper cores. The gauge set has a plastic upper housing along with a fold-out hanger on the rear. The user guide has safety information along with specifications and a packing list and instructions on use. I can't flip the pages with these gloves, they gotta go. Comes with 4 color-matched hoses, a valve core removal tool, and a plastic-handled reversible screwdriver. Check the description for a link on where to buy this product.